Okay, hashtag Ask Gabe. Brendan Sanders has asked, Gabe, what is the best practice structure for a website to rank well for a specific keyword? What does the hierarchy and internal setup look like? Go.
Excellent. Yeah, it really comes down to the keyword, right? So the first things first, you want to understand the intent. So when we talk intent, when somebody's searching for that, kind of what's going on in their mind? Are they searching for a product? It's probably more, they're looking for like a commercial page, maybe like a transactional page. Is it an informational style question? Like, how do I apply makeup as an example, right? So if you understand what the intent is behind the keyword, then you can start to think about how you should shape your content and how it should sit within your website. So obviously commercial terms, if somebody's searching a product name, you want to make sure you've got a proper product page set up. That comes with having proper product images, videos, in-depth content, product specs. If they're searching at a category level, you want to make sure you've got a properly defined category page. And if it's, as I said before, like a guide or a blog type question, you want to make sure that you've got a proper blog set up as well. Internal links is, I think, the second part of your question, making sure that it sits prominently within the website. If it's a category page, make sure it sits within your main menu architecture. If it's a blog page, you want to include it on your blog listings, but also similarly, if it relates to makeup, maybe you want to include a link from your makeup category. So you kind of also got to position yourself in the mindset of the person who's sitting within your website. When would this content actually be of relevance to them, and make sure that they don't have to look too far.
You know what I'm realizing, Gabe? A lot of your answers go, let's stop thinking about Google, because Google's a middleman. Let's think about the person who's actually reading the content and the way that their mind, their intent, and what they want to be able to get and see next.
Well, if you think about that point that you raised, they shouldn't be at loggerheads, right? If Google's designing a search engine for users and you're thinking user first, then you should be thinking the same way as Google, right?
Spot on. Spot on. Love it, Gabe. Thank you.